In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a product in Canva, an essential skill to make your designs more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're crafting a presentation, creating an advertisement, or just adding flair to your projects, animating your product can truly elevate your design. So let's dive in. First up, begin by opening Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up and you'll find yourself in a world of creative possibilities. Once you've logged in, you'll want to create a new design. Canva provides a wide range of templates to help you get started. Whether it's Instagram posts, presentations, or custom dimensions for your specific needs, choose what fits best for your project. Next, it's all about the visuals. Upload your product images. If you've got high-quality photos stored on your device, simply click on the Uploads panel and bring them in. Alternatively, Canva's extensive library is at your disposal, filled with thousands of images. You might just find the perfect one to fit your brand's vibe. Now, let's resize and position the product within your design. The drag and drop feature in Canva is incredibly intuitive. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners of your image and position it by clicking and moving it around the space until it feels just right. Remember, placement is key when it comes to visual impact, so take a moment to ensure it's balanced and eye-catching. Once you've got everything looking great, click on the product image to select it. This is your cue to start adding that extra bit of magic. Head over to the top menu and click the Animate button. This will open a variety of animation options designed to give your design a touch of movement and vitality. When choosing an animation type, think about the mood you're trying to convey. Is it playful, professional, or somewhere in between? You have options to make your image pan, zoom, slide, and more. Experiment with the different styles and see how each one changes the feel of your design. After selecting an animation, you can adjust the duration. This determines how long the animation will play, giving you control over the pacing. A slower animation might add a dramatic effect, while a faster one could inject a sense of energy and excitement. Find the balance that suits your intended message. Lastly, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and moves, it's time to share your creation with the world. Click the Share button at the top, and from the available options, select Download as an MP4 file. This format will preserve your animations, making it perfect for sharing on social media or embedding into presentations. And there you have it. You've just animated a product in Canva, adding a vibrant, professional touch to your design. With this technique, the possibilities are endless, so keep experimenting, keep creating, and watch your designs come alive.